Good morning, student. Welcome to Butterfly School again. Standard 4 English workbook. Now open your workbook and take your pencil. Student, today we will complete page number 7 and page number 8. Now आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक बात आपको कहना चाहूँगी, हम स्टडी से पहले ऑलवेज माता सरस्वती को याद कर ले, बिकॉज वो क्या है, गॉडेस ऑफ लर्निंग, है ना बच्चों। नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ये हम 4th पैराग्राफ को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। मोस्ट टॉक्सिक वर्ड्स कम फ्रॉम मेड मेन थिंग्स। Made main things. Now 5th paragraph, the amount of pollution is increasing day by day and this has led to depletion of resources on the earth. In other words, we can say that the health of the earth and its life forms does not appear to be too good. Now first one, write true or false. First, the amount of pollution is increasing. Answer will be T. Second, the health of the earth is good. Answer will be F. Now second, write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box given. The amount of dash is increasing day by day. So it's B. Write B in the box. Now 6th paragraph, the Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. It was one of the first attempts to make people aware of the Earth's depleting environmental resources and increasing pollution levels. Now first write true or false. The Earth Day is celebrated on 12th April. You have to write F. ओके, क्योंकि अर्थ डे सेलिब्रेटेड कब होता है, 22nd अप्रैल। 22nd अप्रैल, इट्स नॉट 12th अप्रैल। सो राइट एफ। ओके, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। द अर्थ डैश लेवल्स आर इंक्रीजिंग, सो पॉल्यूशन, यू हैव टू राइट पॉल्यूशन, POLLUTION। नाउ third one is write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box given. First, the days is celebrated on 22nd April. 22nd April. Okay, now it's D. Write D in the box. 7th paragraph, the celebration of the Earth Day is 1992 was made memorable by an international conference held in Brazil. The leaders of many countries attended this event and it led to a new movement to preserve the earth resources in both big and small ways. Now give the meaning of the following word. To preserve means to save. To save. 8. People across the world take up number of activity like tree plantation, awareness camps on environment related topics, pollution reduction camps and many more. So we can say that the World Earth Day is a time for people around the globe to support the environmental protections movement. First, name any 2 activities done on World Earth Day. First, tree plantation. Second one, pollution reduction camp. Now turn your page. Okay, now 9th paragraph, the Chipko movement of the Chipko Andolan took place to protect trees. People hug trees in order to protect them from being cut. The event took place on March 26, 1974. Okay, first one is write true or false. The Chipko Andolan was to protect water. Answer will be F. false. Okay, चिपको आंदोलन किसके लिए हुआ था, ट्री के लिए। ओके, वाटर के लिए नहीं। सो सेकंड, राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन A, B, C और D इन द बॉक्स गिवन। The Chipko movement was to protect trees. Trees, it's B. So, write B in the box. Now, question 2. Read the lines of the poem and answer the question. First, up into the banyan tree, who should climb but little me? I held the trunk with both my hands and looked around, all nearby lands. Okay, so first one is, where did the poet look from the banyan tree? Okay, where did the poet look from the banyan tree? Answer will be, the poet looked at all the nearby places from the banyan tree. The poet, okay, फिर से, the poet looked at all the nearby places from the banyan tree. Now, second one, which tree did the poet climb? The poet climbed the banyan tree. The poet climbed the banyan tree. Now, third, write the rhyming words. First, tree, me. Second, hand, land. Now, second stanza, I show the next door garden lie, full of flowers before my eye, and many pleasant faces more, that I had never seen before. First one is, what did the poet see in the garden? The poet saw many flowers and children in the garden. The poet saw many flowers and children in the garden. Now, second one is, write the rhyming word. Okay, first one is, lie, I. Second, more, before. Okay, so, student, we will meet next video. Okay, bye-bye. Stay safe and stay home.